Hey everybody, so this video is for anyone that is dealing with some black mold problems or any type of mold or mildew, whether it's in your shower, if it's on the carpet, if it's on your walls and stuff like that. Um, there is a really great detergent slash solution that you can use for black mold, and this is the price on the website right now, but you can get it a lot cheaper and get some more information on it if you check the link in the description, which will tell you how this works. There are different sprays out there. This one seems to work the best for me, and it's also the highest rated. I did some research on this for quite a while before I actually bought it. Obviously, not too expensive, and even less expensive when you go to the link in the description. So this is a solution that is designed to basically kill mold and mildew on site real quick. It is a germicide, a disinfectant, a cleaner, a fungicide, uh, a mildew killer, and it is a viricide. So it is going to clean up real nice for you, and it will remove mold stains very easily for you. Just spray it on, wipe it off, or spray it off. Um, and yeah, it makes a really big problem and turns it into a really small problem that you could easily deal with. So if you want more information on it, there is a bundle that is like you can get one bottle, but that doesn't quite do it. It comes in a bundle of two different bottles that you use, and that is what it will take you to in the link in the description. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Definitely it's going to help with the odor and stuff that comes from mildew and the dangers of black mold and mold in general. So I know it should be proved to be very helpful for everybody. So yeah, check the link in the description. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I always appreciate that. And I always appreciate you guys watching. So thank you so much for that. And you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.